What's up everyone, Dev Narrative here. So I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be looking at the algorithmic problem in the Map Your Mind series in the tasks. So you're supposed to develop an algorithm that reads in three numbers and writes them in sorted order. As you can see on the screen, this is the algorithm that I came up with, sorting three numbers in ascending order from the user input. So the first step 1 is start. Step 2 is accept three numbers from the user A, B, and C. Then step 3, if A is less than B, you go to step 4. If A is greater than B, you go to step 8. So you have to know like whichever instance, when you loop through it, if A is less than B, this happens, this condition happens. If A is greater than B, this condition happens. So that you can be able to be consistent with the work that you're doing. Because when you have a situation where you have input like a number like 1, 5, and 10, you're supposed to, the program or the algorithm is supposed to detect that the 1 is greater, where 1 is less than 5, 1 is less than 5, and 5 is less than 10. So that's basically what's going on here between step 3, step 4, and step 5. So if A is less than C, then go to step 5, else you go to step 7. So if A is less than C, so you go to step 5. If A is greater than C, you jump to step 7. So it's like you're looping through the user input. Same case to step 5. So if B is less than C, you go to step 9, else you go to step 6. And that's how I was able to like sift through the user input using this algorithm. Then in step 6, you interchange B and C, then go to step 9. Then in step 7, interchange A and C and go to step 3. Then it's just from step 6 to step 8, you're trying to align and match the numbers you cannot, so that you can be able to arrange them in ascending order. This situation will look much clearer when you look at the design of the flowchart, because given the conditions that you set, they will be able to distinguish the numbers which is greater than, which is less than, because they're putting them from smallest to largest. That's ascending. So when you have like a given range of numbers like 2, 6, and 10, like the algorithm is supposed to check and run through the loops and see that 2 is less than 8, 2 is less than 6, like the 8 is less than 10, 10 is the highest. So it's supposed to be able to do that. So it displays in ascending order. So step 9 to display in ascending order, given the parameters that the input has been passed. Then step 10, it will display A, B, and C in ascending order as per the description from the question. Then step 11 is stop. So when I was designing the flowchart, that's when I saw how complex this algorithm was, because I went ahead and designed it, and I saw that there were so many from step 3 to step 8. There were so many functionalities that were going to it, so that you can be able to like distinguish and be able to like know the number that's going from ascending to descending. So no, from in ascending order, when you're putting like the numbers in ascending order from the user input, there's so much that goes into it, then it has to display it. So kind of found it very interesting how things unfolded there. So so this is how I approached the algorithm. And yeah, feel free to leave your feedback in the comments on what you think I might have done differently, and how you think you would have been approached. So you'll be able to exchange, and also like and subscribe to the channel. Support your boy here, and have a good day. Happy coding.